Hi guys, this is Sheila M. Bajaj. I'm a numerologist, I'm a tarot master, a healer, and a life coach. And I recommend people to listen to my podcast if if you just want to change your life. If you want to change your reality, listen to my podcast. It's on iTunes. Just type personal development and it's at number 2. Okay, so I'm going to talk about regret. A lot of people come to me and they say that I regret this and I regret that. And I regret so many things. And how do you not regret something? How do you keep yourself away from regretting? Now, we regret because we have a certain perception of what is right or wrong, all right? And sometimes we feel that we only want to do the right things and the perfect things. And a lot of times we end up not doing things that are adventurous because we don't want to regret. And then there are times, on the flip side, there are some times that we end up making choices that are actually not leading to a good place. Your gut feeling and your inner voice usually tell you not to choose something. But a lot of times we all don't know how to listen to our gut feeling. We don't know how to listen to the inner voice. At that time, your heart really wants it. And so you think your intuition is also telling you that. So how do you keep yourself away from that trap? How do you know you're not falling into a pit? What happens when you actually make a wrong choice, right? A bad relationship, a toxic relationship, or a business decision with a wrong partner. I mean, it could really go anywhere. It could go completely wrong for you. You could lose time, you could lose money, friends, people. I don't know, a whole bunch of crap could happen. So a lot of times people tell me I don't want to regret, Sheila. So my advice to people in that situation is, when in doubt, ask tarot. Tarot cards are amazing. They're a tool of divination. This is exactly what tarot is for. It's not a tool of prediction. Tarot will help you when you're on the crossroads. When you're wondering, kaun sa decision loon? Kaun sa job loon? If I move to Hyderabad, if I move to Mumbai, what is the outcome? So tarot is really a SWOT analysis tool. Okay, I have a team of 14 tarot card readers. Okay, the largest tarot tribe in Asia. And I'm so proud to announce that any one of them can do this for you, this SWOT analysis for you, whether be it relationship, be it career. And a lot of times we're wondering why something's not working for us. You're wondering, अरे मैं इतना मेहनत कर रहा हूँ, I'm working so hard, I'm doing all this gadha mazduri and nothing is working. So why is there stagnancy? Consult tarot. Tarot will give you the root cause of the problem. Why is it not working? Is there a disease? Like when you go to a doctor, you have a khasi, right? Doctor will say, "Arey, there's a disease, so you got to take medicine to fix this." Sometimes you could be weak, not because it's a disease, because it's a deficiency. So your tarot card readers trained, mentored, monitored by me, like one little, hawk sitting on their head. They are trained to tell you what is that disease or that deficiency, both. And they're also trained to give you the remedy to it. Not just tell you, "Arey, बहुत प्रॉब्लम है, आपको यहाँ पे ऐसे दुख रहा है." Not like that. They are trained to tell you how to fix it. There are so many different types of remedies and they will tell you what will resonate best with you. They are trained to give you a combination approach. Not just remedies that you can buy and use, but also things that you'll be able to do, practices that you can follow to increase your energy. All right? And I also tell people that, a lot of times things happen in life, crap happens in life because of a low life condition. Your tarot card reader is going to be like your coach to bring you from patal, from a minus wala level to like upar to zero, and then take you on top. So your tarot card reader is your guide, is your mentor, is someone who's going to give you, those dawai and those, because you will vitamin B, all your deficiencies, whatever, and lead you to what is going to help you the most. So my recommendation is get a tarot card reading done. You can go to tarot.sheila.com. Okay, I have my team A of senior readers there. And then I have tarot.sheila.com/team B. Okay, there's another whole bandwagon of readers there. Just because they're team B doesn't mean that they are not phenomenal. They are amazing. I have personally got readings done from each one of them before I added them on Team B. And it's very difficult to read for me. So guys, you can go to tarot.sheila.com or tarot.sheila.com/team B. Get a reading from any one of them. They are awesome. All right. And if you want to avail any kind of healing, You can join our Fifth Dimensional Healing group. It's a group with over 2,200 people, and we offer regular healing sessions, group healing sessions. We're the only center. Rising Phoenix is the only center which has multi modalities coming together to empower you and make sure that you find whatever is that missing link in your life. All right, so I'll see you on my Fifth Dimensional Healing group, and I hope to see you empowered, whole and complete and happy. And please listen to my podcast. Never ever not listen to that just because it's lying there free on iTunes. So listen to my podcast and leave a review there, and I'd love to hear your comments. And if you have a topic or an issue that you want me to do a podcast on, I would love to hear from you and do that on my next podcast episode. I love you. Bye.